Okay, here's a good wisdom. If you made a mistake and not trying to fix it, that is a mistake. There you go. Wondering wisdom from Saki. Let me find Atebero. Atebero should be here. There you go. Atebero is here in my reference sheet. Okay. Let's just say this was my old art. I think I made this the other day. I'll just recycle this. That is some wondering wisdom. Yes, really nice, right? I was reading a book and I think I've read that phrase, so I wanted to like record it and like share it again on my stream. Because of course, the more we know, you know. Okay, let's just say was my emote. Of course, this is my emote. I'm just gonna recycle it. The eyes is in this part. The mouth is in the middle, of course, something like that. What I usually do is I just change the hair of Atiberu. I'ma make, first, if I make a hair, I would start with the front bangs, then side bangs, then back hair. Which is the front bangs should be here. The middle part. There you go. You got the bangs. And then the side bangs, which is something more likely like this. There you go. I think it's kind of getting similarities now. Then completing the side bangs, gonna make this something like that. Will be the front hair already. There you go. There you go. And then the side hair, the pointed thingy in this thing. This is to hide the ears. And the kind of braid. The kind of braid. I don't know what this is. There you go. Let's just say this is it. And then I erase my old drawing so that I can have a guide. That is how there you go. It looks like Atebero, yeah. There. And I'll just finish the bangs like that. Look at that! It's Atebero! And then let's make a braid, large braid at the back. Look at that! That is how I made a template for my emotes. And then if I make another emotion out of it, I'll just change some parts of it and focus more on the face, focus more on whatever emote that it will become. Yeah. There you go. Ribbon at the back. There you go. And this time, now you know where the mouth is, the eyes is. And if you make like an angry emote like this, you want to focus the face because it's gonna be like angry, like that. Make the eyebrow an angry form, like this, angry form. Make the mouth like shouting, and make like a logo of like angry thingy, like this. Now you've got an angry emote. There you go. As easy as that. You got a better emote now. There. So cute too. This is how I draw my emotes. Okay. Now I want to continue back to what